What's up, gearheads? Welcome back to the channel. MZ Car Club. Today, we're setting our sights on the horizon, specifically the year 2025, for a closer look at the Dacia Bigster. This SUV has been generating a lot of buzz, and for good reason. Let's see why the Bigster might be your next adventure companion. Host. Voiceover. Dacia has always been known for offering no-nonsense, value-packed cars. The Bigster looks to continue that tradition, but in a bigger, bolder package. This 7-seater is designed to conquer any terrain, whether you're hauling the family on a camping trip or tackling off-road trails. The Bigster takes inspiration from the Dacia Duster, but with a more imposing presence. We're talking a wide stance, chunky wheel arches, and a rugged grille that screams capability. It's not the most luxurious design, but it exudes a tough, functional charm. Dacia is keeping tight-lipped about specifics, but rumors suggest a range of engine options, including petrol, mild hybrid, and even a full hybrid powertrain. The base model might feature the familiar 1.3-liter engine, while a 1.2-liter turbocharged 3-cylinder with a surprising 200 horsepower could be the range-topper. Interior. Inside, the Bigster prioritizes practicality over bells and whistles. Expect a spacious cabin that can comfortably seat 7 passengers. The Dacia Duster's recent tech upgrades might trickle down to the Bigster, with a digital instrument cluster and a large infotainment touchscreen. Safety features are likely to be borrowed from Renault, Dacia's parent company. Let's talk about the most exciting aspect of the Bigster, its price tag. Dacia is known for being a budget-friendly brand, and the Bigster is expected to be no different. Early estimates suggest a starting price around a negation 25,000, making it the most affordable 7-seater SUV in Europe. So, is the Dacia Bigster the perfect SUV? Well, it depends on your priorities. If you crave cutting-edge tech and luxurious materials, look elsewhere. But, for those who value affordability, practicality, and a touch of rugged charm, the Bigster could be the adventure mobile you've been waiting for. What do you think of the Dacia Bigster? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more car content. Until next time, happy adventuring.